Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to clean your camera lens and also your camera sensor. So stay tuned. Alright, so first of all, you're gonna make sure that the stains actually is in your camera sensor. To do that, you simply have to set your camera to f22 and then get a white background to shoot. Now I use my laptop to search for a white background and then I set my camera to f22. You do this by setting it on aperture priority or in manual mode, and then just snap a picture. Now as you can see in this picture, there are many stains and also other dirt and stuff that is in this picture, which is definitely unwanted. Alright, so the very first thing before you rip your camera apart, you want to go to your camera's menu and look for sensor cleaning. This actually helps to get some of the dust off, and most of the time if it is just a light dust, it will just go away. So make sure to try this first before you try anything else. Now if the dust still there, we're gonna proceed to the next step. Alright, now get yourself something like this. This is an air blower, and with this air blower you want to blow gently onto the front of the lens, and if your lens has a hood like mine, you want to take it off and then just start blowing. This will help to take all of the surface dust and all dust that might stick to your lens or even to the body of your lens. I personally liked also to use this in the viewfinder, so it will help to clean also the viewfinder and also the hood. It really helps to get off the dust. Now well, in this case you might be able to use your own breath and blow in it. It is not recommended as you may still be able to get spit in there, so don't do it. Just trust me on this one. You can also open your lens and then just blow the air inside your back element of your lens, and this will help to get any dust that might trap inside. Also, you can set your lens aside and then just use the blower onto the camera. You wanna pay attention to point the camera downward, as this helps to let the dust that get trapped to fall off from the cameras, and it will make your job a lot easier. So just do this one and do not blow on it. Spit is very hard to clean from the sensor. Attach your lens back and you're good to go. Now if by this point the dust is still stuck in your sensor, then we're going to use the sensor cleaning kit. Now depending on your sensor, you might want to buy the APS-C or the full frame sensor cleaning kit. And I'm using K&F here. If you can always use any brand that you want. Let's get started. Start off by detaching your lens. Now take a look at the sensor and confirm that the dust is still there. Now make sure you have tried to blow all of the hard dust out, because there's a chance that you may drag the dust off and this will scratch your sensor really bad. So just get a blower and blow all the dust inside as clean as you can. Now again, I'm using K&F. You can use any brand you want. This is an APS-C because I'm using an APS-C sensor. If you're using full frame, you want to get the full frame version. So depending on the camera, use the appropriate one for the camera. Alright, one very important note here. If you have a lens pen, please do not use the lens pen on your camera sensor. This will damage your sensor. Trust me, I've tried it, so don't. You can use the brush to brush the LCD and the viewfinder and maybe the front element of your lens, but do not use this on your sensor. It will damage it, so don't. I also don't recommend if you brush the back element of your lens. So don't brush anything inside the sensitive area such as your sensor and the back element. I use UV filter on my lens, so it's okay for me to brush the UV filter element on my lens, but if you don't, then I don't recommend you to clean it with a brush. Alright, now take out your sensor cleaning kit, and in this package we have 10 swabs and 1 cleaning solution. Please be note that this is a sanitized, sterilized swab, and make sure you comply with the instructions of the brand that you're using. Mine here only recommends 1 to 2 drops maximum onto the swab. Do not over soak the swab, or else you might need another swab to dry it out, so don't. Open the bottle cap and remove the seal. Now reattach the cap of the bottle, so it will help you to pour 1 to 2 drops onto the swab. On most sensor cleaning kits, a little dab will do you, so don't oversaturate the brush. This will potentially cause issues to your sensor. 1 or 2 drops is enough. Now gently drag the swab across the sensor and make sure to keep a steady 45-degree angle to make sure you drag it smoothly. Now do the other side, again 45-degree angle, and make sure you only drag once. Now reattach your lens back and do the test, and make sure there are no more spots left on your sensor. And that's it. Alright, so I'm testing the sensor again, and looks like it is spot free. It is all clean, and that's it. Pretty much you have cleaned your sensor and also your lens. Congratulations. So that's it guys, how you clean your camera sensor and how you clean your camera lens. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on the next video. Bye.